Hi everyone, today I will show you how to make Cambodian fried dough frira. We call it nom chak chol. It's crispy on the outside, soft on the inside and slightly sweet. Okay, now let's get started together. I'm using 2 cups of rice flour, 1 cup of glutinous rice flour, 1 tablespoon of tapioca flour, half a teaspoon of salt, and I mix all the dry ingredients together. After that, I put a 200 milliliters of warm coconut milk, and I mix the dough about 2 or 3 minutes. And then I put 1 tablespoon of palm sugar, 1 egg. Every time we add an ingredient in, we need to knead the dough at least 2 or 3 minutes each time. And now I add half cup of sugar, and the last one I add 1 cup of warm pandan leaf water. If you don't want to use the pandan flavor, you can use the regular water, that's fine. For the pandan water, I put a little bit at a time, maybe 3 parts, and then I keep kneading the dough about 5 more minutes until the dough becomes soft and have a lot of bubble like this. When you see the bubble come out like this, that means the dough is ready to fry. Now I put the oil into the frying pan with medium heat. Yeah, the oil should not be too hot or they will get brown too fast. Before you put the dough into the frying oil, make sure you stir the dough a few times. And now look at this. The dough is expands so nice. When you see it like this, you can flip it. We not cook it too long. We just make sure it turn a golden brown. We gonna take it out, put on the paper towel. It smells so good. You see the brown part is so crispy, and the inside is so soft and not too sweet, yeah, just slightly sweet. My favorite dessert all the time. And at the end, if you like the recipe, don't forget to like and share, comment below. Thank you.